Have you ever wondered why tulips are often associated with the Netherlands, even though they originated from Central Asia? An intriguing question indeed, and one that takes us on a journey from the rugged terrains of Central Asia to the opulent courts of the Ottoman Empire, where tulips were cultivated and revered for their striking beauty and symbolic importance. So, how did these vibrant flowers end up in Europe, particularly the Netherlands? Let's delve into the fascinating journey. The tulip's journey to Europe is a tale of exploration, fascination, and obsession. Our story begins in the 16th century when an ambassador for the Holy Roman Emperor, stationed in the Ottoman Empire, became smitten with the exotic beauty of the tulip. He was so captivated by these vibrant flowers that he sent bulbs and seeds back to Europe, sparking the continent's first brush with tulip fever. The tulip bulbs found a particularly warm welcome in the Netherlands, where the Dutch, renowned for their horticultural prowess, cultivated them with great zeal and skill. The tulip, with its bold colors and elegant form, quickly became a status symbol among the Dutch elite. It was not just a flower, it was a spectacle, a conversation piece, a marker of wealth and taste. As demand for tulips grew, so did their price, culminating in the infamous tulip mania of the 17th century. During this period, the Dutch Golden Age, tulip bulbs were traded on the stock market, and their prices soared to dizzying heights. At the height of the craze, a single tulip bulb could cost as much as a Grand Canal house in Amsterdam. This speculative bubble was one of the first of its kind in history, a testament to the tulip's extraordinary allure. But like all bubbles, the tulip mania eventually burst. Prices plummeted, fortunes were lost, and the tulip came crashing back to earth. Yet, despite this dramatic fall from grace, the tulip never lost its charm. The Dutch continued to cultivate tulips, refining their techniques and developing new varieties. Today, the Netherlands is the world's largest producer of tulips, growing and exporting billions of bulbs each year. The tulip mania might have ended, but the Dutch love for these elegant flowers certainly hasn't. Over the centuries, the tulip has become an integral part of Dutch culture and identity, celebrated with festivals and immortalized in art and literature. Its journey from the mountains of Central Asia to the fields of Europe is a testament to the enduring power of beauty, the allure of the exotic, and the human propensity for obsession. From vibrant reds and yellows to soft pinks and purples, tulips offer a rainbow of colors and varieties. Imagine a flower that changes its form as it blooms, transforming from a simple, elegant bud into a display of flamboyant petals. That's the magic of the parrot tulip, named for its feather-like petals that twist and turn in a riot of color. From deep maroon to fiery orange, each one is a unique spectacle. Now, picture a tulip that's been given a little extra. The double-late tulip, or peony tulip, is a showstopper with its layers upon layers of petals. It's like a rose, and a tulip had a beautifully vibrant baby. You'll find them in every shade, from snowy white to sunshine yellow and romantic red. Then there's the single early tulip, the classic time-honored emblem of spring. It's the first to bloom, bringing a splash of color after a long cold winter. It's like nature's way of saying, cheer up, warmer days are coming. Let's not forget the fringed tulips with their delicate lace-like edges, and the triumph tulips, a hybrid variety known for their strong stems and wide range of colors. Each of these varieties has its unique charm, but what they all share is a spectrum of colors that's truly remarkable. From the deepest purples to the palest pinks, from fiery reds to cool blues, tulips paint the world in their hues, one bloom at a time. With such a diverse palette, it's no wonder that tulips have charmed people for centuries. Cultivating tulips may seem challenging, but with the right knowledge, anyone can grow these beautiful blooms. Now let's talk about planting techniques. Tulips typically bloom in the spring, so you'll want to plant the bulbs in the fall, about 6 to 8 weeks before the ground freezes. Each bulb should be planted about 8 inches deep, with the pointed end facing up. Next, let's consider soil requirements. Tulips prefer well-draining soil. If your soil is heavy clay, you can improve drainage by adding compost or grit. The soil's pH should be neutral to slightly acidic, ideally between 6 and 7. Watering is also crucial for tulips. They need a good drink right after planting, but after that, it's best to only water them when the soil is dry. Overwatering can lead to bulb rot, which is a common issue for tulip growers. Fertilizing is another important aspect of tulip care. A slow-release bulb food is a great choice. Apply it at planting time, and then again when the leaves emerge in the spring. Last but not least, proper bulb storage is key for successful tulip cultivation. After the tulips have bloomed and the leaves have turned yellow, dig up the bulbs. Let them dry for a week in a cool, dark place and then store them in a breathable bag until it's time to plant them again. With these tips, you're well on your way to creating your own tulip paradise. Beyond their visual appeal, tulips also carry a wealth of symbolism and meaning. In different cultures and contexts, these vibrant flowers can convey a variety of messages and sentiments. For example, in Turkish tradition, the tulip is a symbol of paradise on earth and has been a significant motif in Turkish art and literature for centuries. Now, let's take a moment to delve into the language of tulips. The color of a tulip can significantly alter its symbolic meaning. Red tulips, for instance, are often associated with love and passion, making them a popular choice for romantic occasions. On the other hand, white tulips symbolize purity, innocence, and forgiveness, making them a fitting choice for more somber or reflective moments. If you're looking to express cheerful thoughts and sunshine, yellow tulips are your go-to. They're often associated with feelings of joy and light-hearted friendship. Pink tulips, however, carry a meaning of affection and caring. They're less intense than a red tulip, making them perfect for new relationships or friendships. Lastly, we have purple tulips, which are often associated with royalty due to their regal color. They symbolize nobility, strength, and admiration. So you see, tulips are more than just a pretty face in the garden. They're a way to express our deepest emotions and sentiments. So the next time you gift a bouquet of tulips, remember, you're also sending a message. From the tulip fields of the Netherlands to the vibrant displays in Washington state, tulip festivals are a global celebration of these beloved flowers. These festivals not only showcase the breathtaking beauty of tulips but also unite people from different cultures in their shared appreciation for nature's vibrant palette. Let's start with the Netherlands, the heartland of tulips. Every spring, the country comes alive with the Keukenhof Tulip Festival, often hailed as the largest flower park in the world. Here, over 7 million tulips bloom in a stunning array of colors, creating a spectacular floral tapestry that stretches as far as the eye can see. Across the Atlantic, in the United States, we have the Skagit Valley Tulip Festival in Washington state. This annual event paints the valley in a riot of colors, attracting hundreds of thousands of visitors who come to enjoy the vibrant displays and participate in a host of activities, from tulip field tours to art shows. In Canada, the Canadian Tulip Festival in Ottawa stands as a symbol of international friendship. This festival was born out of gratitude for Canada's role in liberating the Netherlands during World War II. Every year, the Dutch royal family sends thousands of tulip bulbs to Canada, resulting in a spectacular bloom that transforms the city into a living work of art. In Japan, the Tonami Tulip Fair is a sight to behold. With more than 1 million tulips of over 600 varieties, it's a kaleidoscope of colors that celebrates the arrival of spring. And let's not forget the Istanbul Tulip Festival in Turkey, where tulips originally found their fame. This event brings the city's parks and public spaces to life with millions of tulips, commemorating Turkey's centuries-old love affair with this enchanting bloom. Whether it's a small local event or a grand international festival, the love for tulips truly knows no bounds. These festivals are a testament to the enduring allure of tulips, a flower that continues to captivate hearts and minds across the globe. From their wild origins to their global popularity, tulips have taken us on a fascinating journey through time and culture. We have traced their roots back to Central Asia and the Ottoman Empire, followed their journey to Europe in the 16th century, and marveled at the Dutch tulip mania during the Golden Age. We've admired the myriad of tulip varieties and colors, from the vibrant reds and yellows to the soft pinks and purples. We've learned the art of cultivating these beautiful blooms and delved into the rich symbolism they hold in various cultures. We've celebrated alongside tulip festivals around the world and appreciated their representation in art, literature, and cultural expressions throughout history. We've also examined the economic significance of the tulip bulb trade and its influence on the Dutch economy. So, the next time you see a tulip, remember it's not just a flower, but a symbol of a fascinating journey through history and culture.